Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is your host Meenakshi again. Today's video is about unboxing some beautiful ceramic pots which I have ordered from Bella Stones and Decorations. I have received the pots yesterday and today I'll be unboxing them. I have ordered quite a lot of ceramic pots for home decorations. So as you know, people living in apartments have very small options, very little options of having outdoor plants. So I'm planning to create a summer garden inside my apartment with lot of greeneries and lot of plants inside the apartment. So if you guys want to have lot of indoor plants and is looking for cheap and beautiful ceramic pots, you can please contact Bella Stones and Decorations. I'll be sharing the address and the contact number so you can get in touch with them to purchase your beautiful ceramic pots. And also I'll be creating lot of succulent arrangements. So if you guys want to buy succulent arrangements from me, you can please contact me for that also, as I've ordered some beautiful succulent arrangement pots and trays which I'll be showing you in the video. And we have a lot of options of buying ceramic pots from these guys, as they have lot of varieties starting from as less as 72 rupees onwards. So they have a lot of choices from which you can choose from. So if you guys want to buy, get in touch with these guys, and in the meantime let me unbox the ceramic pots which I have received from them. And hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you guys like my video, please don't forget to put a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, as you can see I'm done with the unboxing of my ceramic pots. It was quite a job as there was a lot of hay in the packaging and I was covered with dust, so I had to take a shower and come back again. So these are the pots which I had ordered from Bella Stones and Decorations. All the counts are okay. I had ordered 200 pieces of these small ones and I have received 200 of them. However, 3 of them got damaged in the transportation, which is okay. One is broken and 2 of them are cracked. And I have spoken to them and they have told me that they will replace these 3 pots. And I had ordered for 4 big ones, these ones, but I have received 3, so they are delivering another one today itself. And to my surprise, I have a beautiful gift from Bella Stones and Decorations. This is a beautiful teddy bear pot, as you can see. It's written home here. And this is a beautiful teddy. It's a gift from Bella Stones and Decorations for me. And thank you so much, Bella Stones and Decorations, for this beautiful gift. It was a surprise for me. And here I would like to add that we get a lot of ceramic pots near Jurabat in Guwahati, which are very expensive. No doubt they have quite a lot of variety, but they are very expensive. But if you buy from Bella Stones and Decorations, you will get at a much wholesale price, that is cheaper price. And you can exchange them if you get a damaged product, or if there is some transportation defects, you can also exchange. So go get your beautiful ceramic pots from them, and I'll be sharing the the contact number and the address, so you can get in touch with them. And hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you so much.